regular hit the gym, who fall in follow the suggestions of their trainers that it is necessary to use testosterone boosters or protein powder to gain excellent muscle growth or for optimum energy to exercise. See, to say the truth, all this is a big lie. It is a simple understanding that whatever supplementation you take externally, it will give you an instant boost, but it will also decrease your body natural production of that specific element. So to say you have been taking testosterone boosters or a protein powder to boost your muscle growth rather than taking it from natural sources or your food. What it will eventually do is stop the body's mechanism of the processing or a producing natural protein or a testosterone hormone, leaving you or completely hooked on these external sources for a lifetime. So now let's understand how your exercise routine can affect your sperm count if your body lack protein. We all know protein is essential for muscle growth, which is also used to repair the muscle when they wear and tear. While gymming, just the same way, it is also essential for spermatogenesis as it an energy intensive process that require various nutrition including protein. So when you hit the gym regularly and do not intake the required diet, all the protein that the body has gets used up by the body to repair the muscles, due to which the sperm production process does not get enough protein to do its work, causing you to face issues with low sperm count. Now, let's talk about the use of testosterone boosters that many people use to increase their stamina while working out in the gym, believing that it will boost their energy and allow them to work with more weights. What you should understand is that while taking these testosterone boosters or injectables, you might feel good and energetic, but overuse of everyday use of the boosters will eventually cause your body's natural testosterone production to decrease. And once you stop taking these boosters, your body will start to face low testosterone issues, which directly affect your hormonal levels in the body, leading to low sperm count issues and even a large chest. So if you have dedicated to your gym routine and are advised to take any supplement or a testosterone boosters, it is the best to avoid them and always try to build a natural body. With this, if you feel you have any issue with your sperm count or you face infertility, you can contact us at the number below, or you can also share your reports on WhatsApp with our team of doctors and get the right solution for your problem. And thank you very much.